Hydroponics, the magical land where plants grow without soil and water, is recycled like in a futuristic sci-fi movie. But it's not just fiction. Hydroponics is a real thing and it's pretty cool. This soilless method of growing plants offers a ton of benefits over traditional agriculture, from faster growth to higher yields to space-saving vertical growing. Plus, with hydroponics, you can grow plants anywhere, from a skyscraper in the city to a spaceship headed to Mars. Okay, maybe not quite yet, but you get the idea. So let's dive into the world of hydroponics and discover why it's quickly becoming a popular way to grow food and plants. Here are 10 benefits of hydroponics. 1. Faster plant growth. With hydroponics, plants can grow up to 50% faster than in soil-based agriculture because they have direct access to the nutrients they need. 2. Higher yields. Hydroponics can produce much higher yields per square foot than traditional soil-based agriculture because of the optimized growing conditions. 3. Water conservation. Hydroponics uses up to 90% less water than soil-based agriculture, as the water is recycled through the system. 4. No soil required. Hydroponics can be done anywhere, even in areas with poor soil quality or no soil at all. 5. Reduced pesticide use. Hydroponics eliminates the need for pesticides and herbicides, as the plants are grown in a controlled environment. 6. Greater control over growing conditions. Hydroponics allows for precise control over pH levels, nutrient concentrations, and other growing conditions, which can lead to healthier plants. 7. Space saving. Hydroponics can be done vertically, saving space and allowing for greater yields per square foot. 8. Consistency. Hydroponics provides consistent growing conditions, reducing the risk of crop failures. 9. Year-round growing. Hydroponics can be done indoors or in greenhouses, allowing for year-round growing. 10. Healthier plants. Hydroponic plants are less susceptible to diseases and pests, as the growing conditions are optimized for their health and growth. In summary, hydroponics is a sustainable and efficient way to grow plants that offers numerous advantages over traditional soil-based agriculture. So whether you're a space-loving astronaut or a city-dwelling plant enthusiast, hydroponics can help you grow your greens with ease. So let's grab our watering cans and get ready for some high-tech gardening adventures.